Good morning, friends. Hi. Today we're going to do a slideshow where I'm going to give you 33 different ideas of things that you can do for 4th of July for desserts. Not just desserts, but mostly. Anyway, 33 different ideas, and it's just a quick slideshow, and I want to give it to you a little bit early so that you have time to prepare them if you want to. And if you need help in how to make these things, just say something in the comments and I'll be happy to teach you how to do it. I will personally respond to anybody that asks for it. So let's get into it. Now, this year is a big one, being the 250th anniversary and all. So I'm sure that we all have special stuff planned, and I hope that this helps you entertain your company, your family, your guests, whatever. Just have fun with it, okay? So there's some ideas for you for 4th of July desserts and trifle dishes and cookies and stuff. And if you need any explanations on how to do that, just put a message down in comments and I'll be happy to get back to you on that. So thank you so much for being here, and welcome back if you're coming back, and welcome to the family if you're new. Any rate, I really hope that you have a good night, and I hope that your family is well prepared for a lovely, safe, and patriotic 4th of July for the 250th anniversary of our nation. So, love you all. God bless you. Toodles.